Good morning, guys. I just wake up and Basha today wants to record the breakfast. Every morning we have an amazing breakfast and today we're gonna record it. So I am preparing the camera that we're gonna need. Let's see how we can record this breakfast in a nice way. Good morning, good morning. We're going to record here. So here's the spot. Amber, Chandra, I should doing the cleaning. I'm gonna try to record from the top, like really the camera like this. So we need to put the tripod opposite, like we need to change this and put it upside down. Now I can put the camera here. So we're gonna have a nice and beautiful scenical shot. I really like to buy a LCD screen, you know? So I connect from this camera, I can see and I put it here and I can see what I am recording. Yeah, because here I need to check, oh yes, it's in frame, oh no, yeah, okay, it's working, and that is a little bit annoying. For the lens, after we get like the focus in the point that we want to do it, we need to put tape. So we put tape here, put some tape so the gravity doesn't move the point of focus. You see that? Just because the lens is heavy. Okay, let's check it out. So we're gonna have two angles to record. In the middle of the recording, we have a really beautiful frame. You can see in the on the glass. It's like so nice nuts. Like, and actually we eat this every single day. It's so good. Look at this. It's like all these fruits and all these nuts and everything get so much color. It's beautiful, it's nice. This looks so beautiful. So I am taking this photo here. Now I'm gonna take like some nice photos with the cell phone. On this angle, I have the light there. It's like on a little bit contrast, but I like it. And after I'm gonna change and put it from over there. I like to put some of these flowers that enter to the frame. Maybe one from this angle. Yeah, recording like this breakfast so long. Normally it takes us maybe half an hour.
Half an hour, 10 minutes.
Like 15, like cutting, depends on how many people are helping. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. For me, when I do it, half an hour because I am slow. Okay. But now it's taking us so long. Yeah, that is recording. And look. Looks so cool. Look at that.
Photo.
Okay, almost last part. Now the mixing. So we take and we write, now enjoy it. And after we put it back, empty. Bam! Ready for eating. Took us around 2 hours to record all this. And cutting and taking decision always takes time, but I am happy we done it, and I think that we have really cool material. That's really nice. She don't see the part of the recording. She just think, oh, it's so simple, let's make a video and that's not the work that you want to show. And then it's like, okay, we need to plan it. And she don't get it. She don't see it. That is about relationship. Communication. We are going in through that. Finally, we are eating. Serious guy, you need to try this. It's amazing. Now the boring part. Organizing, clean it and everything. See you later. Man, I am still here. What are you going to say something? See you guys. See you.
This guy.
No, okay, goodbye.
We created 4 videos from the shooting. You can watch them on Dragon's Warriors YouTube channel. Remember to check them out.